Through extensive research, we now know that whales are very social creatures who navigate, communicate, and hunt using sound. The song of baleen whales can in some conditions travel across entire ocean basins, and toothed whales can echolocate their deep-sea prey at as many as 100 meters. But their critical reliance on sound makes whales vulnerable to noise pollution in the ocean caused by shipping, sonar, and oil exploration. In noisy surroundings, whales are unable to hear each other or their prey and may swim away from noise sources in a panic, causing strandings and death. In stranded whales' stomachs, we find kilos of plastic as they mistake it for food, especially when hunting in the deep, dark depths of the ocean. The good news is that most whale populations are slowly recovering because we have decided to stop killing them and now instead protect them in many ways. In that regard, whales serve as giant reminders of the fact that we can save Mother Earth if we indeed want to.